was one of the things that grabbed my attention actually when we had our first conversation, was the fact that, of course, when you're trying to feed people who are struggling, we're giving them food that isn't nutrient dense.
No, it's not. Like us talking, we're nutrient deficient, and the people who are watching, we're all nutrient deficient in some way because of the way that our food supply is managed. We've lost that nutrient component. The people who are in need have a worse condition than us. They're more nutrient deficient, and in the homelessness community there's a wide range of mental illness issues caused by nutrient deficiency, which I think we can resolve if we're actually pumping them up full of nutrient dense food, so that builds them back up again, and then they can make decisions. So instead of just feeding somebody, having the cycle continue, it's actually, no, let's actually change the person at the same time by providing good quality nutrient food.